competition? What happened to the competition?
We found popcorn.
But who won?
Honestly,
Corn won.
U.S.?
That was not one of the teams.
neither was I, and I won hearts.
I am the best grape. No, we are.
I keep everyone grounded.
That's a good point. Whoa! We keep agreeing.
Growth.
Don't use our word.
Friends, fruits, vegetables, I have a speech. It is a bit squished, but we are all food. We are all delicious, so we are all good. That's the speech.
You hold that side. You hold this side.
And so, the bridge was built by rivals who were actually friends.
I help you see. That's important. We provide sweetness.
We provide nutrition.
I provide myself.
We provide drama. We provide popcorn.
We provide water. Also refreshment.
Belong on the bridge because I connect things. I am exactly where I should be.
That was beautiful.
We are all moved.
I needed today to figure that out.
We all did. I have seeds! I am multitudes. I contain multitudes.
Inside voice.
I contain multitudes.
Much better.
Very clearly, vitamin A is working.
I shall conduct.
Sweet.
Nutritious.
Bendy.
Dramatic. Bunch.
Refreshing.
Can see.